Excellent. Wow. Wow. There you go. Wow. Yeah, see this time. And your hips are twisted a little bit. Your sacrum is the keystone of your spine. It's like a diamond-shaped bone. Your hip bones lock in here. Your tailbone's at the bottom. So the more you sit, the more compressed this all becomes. That's not good. So you got to stand up every 30 minutes. Turn to this side, face me. Line that left side, perfect. You know, left thumb all the way through, right here. Just drop your head backwards. Relax this arm. Right there and there. Perfect. Bend this leg up towards you. Straighten this one out right there. Get here, get here, get here. See, oh, look at all that tension. See how much tension? Wow.
Oh my god, I feel so good.
See?
Oh wow.
All that. There we go here, there we go here, there we go there. Too much tension all the way through again. Oh, amazing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
All that hair. The hair is what's giving her the problem. It's heavy, it's weighing her down. I'll put that back here. But it's beautiful hair. Hang those arms over the side. I'm gonna have to borrow some. See all this tension. She's got a little curve in her spine that she never knew she had, right?
Mm-hmm.
Little scoliosis. You can get adjusted when you have scoliosis, and you should be. Take the pressure off that spine nervous system. Tight on this side. Drop that hand right here. Nice and relaxed. Good. Wow. Okay.
Wow. That was so good.
See? Awesome. Drop that head back right here. Excellent.
Wow.
Good. See all that tension? Gotta get right. See this one, yeah. Drop that shoulder. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, I'm good.
She's just soaking it all in. Good. Drop that head back right here. Wow.
Wow.
That is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel right now?
I feel good.
Good. That's what we want. Come lie on your back, face up. Stretch. Let's breathe. Right here and here, nice and relaxed. Let's lift up that head. Let's go right here.
Time for the magic?
Yeah. Hold her hair. Put that head all the way back. Nice and relaxed, right down the midline, okay? Keep that mouth closed. Take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Ah!
There you go. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god, I feel so good. Wow.
You needed that.
Yeah.
All that pressure built up over time.
Wow.
That is the issue. Wow. That was awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Stay right there. I see everything in here. See? Now, you okay? Not as much tension, but still a little crooked. Turn and face me. Yeah, it's different. I'll take a picture. Wait. Second. Alrighty. So how'd you feel after your first adjustment?
That felt great. I feel much better.
You had a lot of pressure. She had a lot of tension in her spine and nervous system. Again, what we discovered was she has this little curve in her spine, a scoliosis, that she didn't really know she had. Again, she just has minimal kind of pain, tension, kind of her whole life. But nothing debilitating that's going to knock her out. But it's starting to get to that point. So getting adjustment, even with a scoliosis, is going to take pressure, tension, and stress off of it. Are we going to fix and cure the scoliosis? No. But we're going to take pressure off of it. The curve comes back a little bit, as much as we can. But pressure, tension, and stress will be released from it, so you move better, feel better, live better. And that's what she's feeling right now.
Yep.
That is awesome.
Thank you.
Never be afraid. Never be afraid to get adjusted.
Never be afraid. That's so great.
Awesome.